this video, I will explain you how to create physical fitness form. First, you need to click Add on Goofy Form and then Load Form Template. You can search physical fitness, and then after you found it, just click Load Selected Template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings. Just refresh the page and then click Goofy Form and Get Link. You can click Continue and then choose your account, and then just click Advance and go to Goofy Form. Just click Allow here, and after you get a link like this, just copy this and paste it into your search engine. So the form is now ready to use. You can also custom the questions. For example, go to question type, and for example, I want to insert a new row and use text area also for the question, for example, address, like this. So it will show like this. For example, I fill the option for the gender question, fill male or female. So it will show like this for a radio button. And then you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore. So the row will disappear instantly. You can also change your background color of your form in the settings, so it will change. Also, you can change the style of your title. For example, I delete the mark, so it will stop like this. Thank you.